Elliriku Namaskara to everyone. Warm welcome to all of you for the Body Shop new store in Mall of Asia. As you all know that this is the Activist Workshop store, which is a new format of the Body Shop. Uh, we have invited you all to tell you about this new format, which is actually the brand. As you can see the brand ethos through this store. This is the second activist workshop store after the Falcon Mall. We are so happy to be in Bangalore because we have opened 23 stores in Bangalore, the Body Shop. And because of all the love and all the support what all the people, the Bangalore people have given us, we love to open more stores in Bangalore. The activist workshop stores, as you all see, these are all the sustainable fixture stores, which means all what you see in this store, it is reflecting the brand values and very strong brand ethos, which means the Body Shop is the pioneering brand where we actually focus on sustainability and ethical practices. So Body Shop being an ethical beauty brand is also, it's not only just a cosmetic brand just for makeup, skincare, but it is a brand which actually wants to care for its people, for its communities, and for the planet. And as everything, if you come to the store, it will reflect all the consumers. When they come to the store, they'll be very happy to see all the fixtures, that these are all the recyclable wood what we have used. We have used reclaimed wood, what we call, from the recyclable material. The fixtures are also the recyclable plastic, where you see all the containers and the VM material what we have used. You see on top you have this rooftop where we have used the rafters, the rafters, the wooden rafters, which are, we don't throw it away. We actually use it in our stores. Now, we are the only beauty brand who want to promote sustainability and reduce waste in this whole planet. We do a lot of campaigns, as you all know, to promote the focus and the strength of the Body Shop is that we campaign for RRR. RRR is a campaign where it is called Return, Recycle and Repeat. This campaign is where we want consumers to come and give the products back to us when they finish the empty bottles back to us. And we, in turn, we recycle these bottles and send it to our CFT partner, who is Plastics for Change. And Plastics for Change is very much in Bangalore. So we are so happy that we are in the city, in the Bangalore city, where our CFT partner, Plastics for Change, is also operating out of Bangalore. Until now, we have already collected 100 million bottles since last 5 years. And we are recycling these bottles to ensure that we give a safe planet to all. This is our, I would say, we have taken a total mission. Our mission is that we should collect and we should recycle all the products what goes in use. We also have products in the Body Shop which are refillable. As you know, we have launched some great products, cosmetic products, which you can use the products and you can refill them. The compact powder, where the packaging is refillable. You can actually use the compact and come back to the store and take the inside part, the product part, but use the same packaging. So, we are doing, and we also have lipsticks, which are refillable lipsticks, which will help you to not throw everything away when you use it, but also reuse it, the packaging. So we urge our customers to come back to us and support us in this whole brand mission, which is we want to be sustainable, we want to drive ethical practices, and of course, we want to support all the communities and planet. The customers who come and give the empty bottles back to us, we reward them with points. So it's not that you come and give your bottles, but you get some great points which you can do shopping at the Body Shop.